What's poppin'? Take it from here. Wow. Got the AC problem in the Corvette where it's leaking AC condensate water into the passenger side cabin. The lower fan off again and see if we can get it fixed this time. Very, very disappointed right now. All right, we got it figured out. The car, the AC, we just kind of got a ghetto rig. Would you just plug it? The hose normally goes there.
Try that.
Yeah.
Good luck.
It's fine.
It ain't my not my car. Not my problem.
Thanks. So I'm just gonna drive out to California with a pool up in my AC system.
Good luck.
All right, cool. Thanks. All right, she's race ready now. There's no way that it's gonna leak because we literally plugged up where the water was coming from. So either it's just gonna magically fix, or it's gonna get plugged up and we're gonna have a bigger problem. Either way, the car ain't gonna get one on the inside, so it's fine. It's all fine. Everything's fine. Come on, you got this. See how many tries it takes you to get going without stalling it. Can you roll it back and forth without pulling the clutch in? That's neutral. There you go. All right. Try number one. Whoa. What the hell? Shift. Give it some gas. Go! Give it gas! There you go! You gonna let her eat or you gotta give it more gas? There it is. There it is. Let all 125 cc's fly right there, boy. He's so awkward. Taking mom for a ride.
No.
Where are we gonna go?
Scared.
You're scared?
I'm scared.
It rides nice. You ready to let the bald eagles fly, Mom?
What does that mean?
Ready? The bald eagles under the hood. We gotta let them fly.
Sure. Oh God. So what do you think about your new car?
Love it. I love her. Love her, him, I don't know yet. Still unnamed.
All right. Oh gosh. Here we go. Wasn't too bad.
What'd you think? Yeah, Mom approved? Goodbye? Aside from the AC?
It's all right. What's a little spillage?
Aside from the AC, goodbye. Nothing like buying a used car, man. Oh my God, there's so much water. Yeah. Damn, I feel like this is a good one. This is very uncomfortable. Watch this. Come on.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That's just from the AC, and now the car won't start because we think it short-circuited one of the fuses, or hopefully not short-circuited something on the computer. The ECU that sits right under the AC unit, which is very convenient. Not. Race car, am I right?
There's a ton of water coming out of this thing.
Yeah.
A ton?
A lot, yeah.
Basically the same amount as yesterday.
And that was from the fan motor?
This is all from back up in the air box.
You got the fan motor out or no?
Yeah, it's right here.
Okay.
Tons of chlorine on it.
Yeah, but it's sitting in water. Stick that towel up in there, Logan. Try to soak it up.
I did. That's what all this is.
Oh my God. Do you know how when you feel right
Yeah,
up
up in
in
there.
you feel that sensor that's in there? Like you'll feel the top of something metal right inside that hole.
Oh man.
Okay,
I went to go put the fan and everything back on. Went to go start the car, and the car didn't start. So we think that we got water inside of the BCM. So now Mom's got the BCM airing it out by the fan, and I have the BCM plugs and the connectors airing out, and we're gonna let it sit and dry, and I hope to God that it starts when we plug it all back in. Well, now I'm on my way to go get the AC leak looked at by our buddy Steve. He's got a mechanic shop down here on Clearwater Beach, so he's gonna take a look at it for us and see if he can figure it out, because we are basically gonna have to tear the dash out if we want to really get into anything. So before we have to do all that, we're gonna get it looked at by someone who actually might have some experience on the subject. All right, we're going to pick up my baby. They got it figured out. There was another drain plug that we couldn't find that was clogged up, so they unclogged it and tested to make sure it ain't gonna leak anymore, and it's not. So we are good to go. We are ready to drive all the way to freaking California. Mom's like, you're gonna die. It's fine. We're gonna let the bald eagles fly all the way to California, baby. We're gonna make highway pulls and everything. I can't wait to film it all. Tomorrow we gotta go find out if I can get an aux cord for it, and gotta get windshield wipers. I'm gonna go pick up my car, talk to him, and drive it home. All right, well, we got the car back. Everything's fixed. No more AC leaks, so we're good to go to California. This is gonna be the end of today's video. Make sure you leave a like down below, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. I love the support. I can't wait to make more videos of actually going on the track in this car in California. So until the next video, I'll freaking see you later.